You are walking home from school. You have a haircut appointment you have to get to. You feel great, but also a bit nervous.
Oh no, am I going to get a bad haircut today?
You enter the barber shop with confidence.
This is a nice, clean barber shop. Wait, who is that bald guy? I hope he's not cutting my hair today. Wait, he's bald and cuts hair?
Yes, I am bald, and yes, I cut hair.
I didn't mean to offend you. Yes, please give me a great haircut.
Despite whoever cuts your hair, give them a chance and don't judge. Do you have a haircut like this?
Or perhaps a haircut like this.
Now here is a haircut to be happy about. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy these sketches. Please subscribe to The Salon Guy. Bye for now.